Sprinkle the mop generously with salt. Measure 1 capful of fabric softener and pour it thoroughly over the fibers to make them soft. Then pour boiling water over the entire mop to remove built-up dirt and bacteria. Look at that dirty water. It's proof that a quick rinse is never enough. Now your mop is like new and ready to clean the floor thoroughly. Don't throw away your old, dirty mop. Cut off the worn ends to create a clean base. Then grab a microfiber cloth and wrap it around the mop head. Put the old cover back on top to keep everything tight. Dip the mop head in water and clean your floor as usual. You no longer need to buy a new mop. A simple cloth from home is enough. I sprinkle it on the old creaky floor. I bought it for a few pounds at the pharmacy. It solved the annoying problem of creaky panels. I wish I had known about this trick earlier. Over the years, wooden floors and panels start to come apart. Holes form under the boards, causing them to move. Walking on the old floor often produces unpleasant creaking. It turns out that these holes can be easily filled, the places where gaps or creaking appear. Generously sprinkle ordinary talcum powder. Sprinkle a lot so that it fills the holes. Sprinkle it along the seams of the boards, then press it in with your hand. It should get into the gaps in the floor. Repeat the process until the floor stops moving. Next, sweep off the excess talcum powder from the boards. This powder reduces friction between the floor elements. Talc is used in industry as a filling component. It is simple and safe to use. Finally, wipe the floor with a damp cloth to get rid of the white residue. And that's it. The panels no longer make a sound. Sprinkle salt on the carpet. What happens next will surprise you. Take a medium-sized bowl and add about 150 milliliters of water. It's important that the water is not hot, just slightly warm. Then add 1 tablespoon of table salt. Salt helps remove stains and unpleasant odors. Add 1 tablespoon of dish soap, preferably with your favorite scent. Then add 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Vinegar, thanks to its properties, helps remove tough stains, dissolves dirt, and restores freshness to fibers. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Baking soda acts as a mild abrasive that helps loosen dirt in the carpet fibers. You'll notice foam starting to form. Mix everything thoroughly. Pour the mixture over the stains on the carpet. Take a brush and scrub the stains well. This mixture works on most types of carpets. Finally, wipe with a towel or paper and wait for the carpet to dry. This simple and inexpensive method will help you get rid of tough stains and dirt. Your carpet will look like new. Sprinkle this on your couch and carpet, and you'll never pay for cleaning again. The unpleasant smell of mustiness and dirt will disappear. This trick works like magic and costs nothing. Grab a small bowl and add 2½ tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda acts as a natural stain remover, neutralizes odors, and absorbs moisture. Add ½ tablespoon of table salt. It helps lift dirt and has a gentle abrasive effect that tackles grime. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil. It not only freshens the space but also brings a lovely atmosphere to your home. Mix everything thoroughly. Using a sieve, sprinkle the powder mixture evenly over the carpet. Let it sit for 20 minutes. That's when the magic happens. Do the same on the couch, covering every area. But don't stop there. After 20 minutes, vacuum the carpet and couch to remove residue, bacteria, and household allergens. Finish by wiping with a slightly damp microfiber cloth to remove any remaining powder. Your furniture and carpets will be cleaner than ever. Clean, fresh, and all natural. Instead of using it in the dishwasher, try it for cleaning. Dampen a cloth. Attach it to a Swiffer, and your home will shine. This trick adds shine to cleaned surfaces, prevents buildup of dirt and water stains, and eliminates moisture issues on tiles. Thanks to this mixture, your home will feel fresh. Grab a regular cloth and a Swiffer mop. Prepare a bowl of lukewarm water. Add a bit of dishwasher rinse aid. Any standard one from the store will do. Soak the cloth in the solution, then wring it out well so it's damp, but not dripping. The cloth is now ready. Attach it to your mop and start cleaning the bathroom tiles, even the high ones near the ceiling that are hard to reach. It removes dust and adds a beautiful shine. Rinse the cloth as needed and move on to the next section. You can also clean kitchen tiles this way. They'll shine like new, and it doesn't stop there. This mixture also works wonders on smooth furniture. Use it to clean tall kitchen cabinet fronts or wardrobe doors. They'll look glossy, just like when they were brand new. Spray it and attach it to your Swiffer. Your windows will shine like never before thanks to this trick. Hardly anyone knows that you can clean all high windows this way. You won't have to climb a ladder anymore. A simple Swiffer is enough. I actually started to enjoy cleaning windows because of this. First, prepare a bowl. Pour warm water into it. Add a bit of dish soap. Soak a microfiber cloth in the prepared water. Once it's fully soaked, wring it out well. Now wrap the microfiber cloth around the Swiffer. Use this tool to wash your windows. There's no need to go up a ladder. Rinse the cloth from time to time. Next, spray some rubbing alcohol or vinegar on a piece of paper towel and attach it to the Swiffer. Wipe the windows again until they are dry. You'll see that the glass will shine with cleanliness and sparkle like never before. This trick is not only simple, but also very effective. The microfiber cloth removes dirt, and the alcohol dissolves any greasy spots and leaves the windows streak-free. This trick will help you clean every corner of your home. Take a regular stick, ideally a broom handle. Then, use a rubber band to attach a microfiber cloth to one end, wrapping it completely. Now start cleaning narrow spaces and tight spots, especially around wardrobes. You'll be amazed how much dust and dirt it picks up. This method will make your cleaning easier and more efficient. Here's how you can refresh any wall without painting. It will be clean, free from dust and dirt. It turns out that Swiffer isn't just great for cleaning floors. I've discovered another excellent use for it, and I'm sure you'll start using it too. Cleaning your home has never been this enjoyable. Start by grabbing your Swiffer and attaching a dry dusting cloth to it. Thoroughly wipe down the walls. You might not see it with the naked eye, but they really are dusty. Just take a look at the cloth afterward. Next, prepare a bowl of warm water and add a bit of dish soap. Prepare it as if you were about to mop the floor. Take a microfiber cloth, soak it in the soapy water, and then wring it out well. It's important not to apply too much water to the wall. Now, attach the microfiber cloth to the Swiffer and use it to wash the wall. You'll clean it thoroughly without much effort. You can see that besides dust, my wall had some dirt too. Now it looks as if it has just been freshly painted.